This one looks like it's in treble clef. And it starts on 1, 2, 3. Let's see. First space, second space, third space. Space 1, 2, 3 is treble C. Watch my hand first to see where I pop my bubble. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm out of fingers. What finger do you think I'm going to use? Our third finger. 3, 2, 1. Now you try. Put your 5 finger on treble C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop with your third finger. 3, make a new bubble. 2, 1. How did you do? Oh, that is so cool that we can play the major scale going down.